Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be on sleep apnea, sleep disorder, snoring problem while sleeping. So any tongue deviation during sleeping which causes restriction in your airways. So this will help you in your strengthening your tongue plus your TMJ. TMJ has a small meniscus if you don't know. So this will help you to strengthen those tongue muscle, and tongue is the largest muscle in your neck. It runs from here till down. Only visible is this area, this part. So we have to strengthen those tongue, and it may be beneficial for your patient. You can use on them. So the exercise may look little awkward but very helpful. So these exercises you can do. So here first we'll start with, you'll take two thumbs, you'll put it right under your jaw, and can you see the tongue? You'll be pressing against above. That means you're exactly where your tongue should be placed is the above. So you'll push the tongue above here, and the jaw will be dipping down. So here I want you to do is take the head towards the side and up, but constant pressure in the lower end of the jaw. Okay, tongue will be pressing up, chin lock in and go up. Same thing, come to the other side. So if you can be there for 10 to 15 seconds, it's up to you, but change side within. So next what will be is, you'll take the same thumb, go little away from 2 inches away from each other, be there again, same thing, you'll press it up, lock your chin, again look up. You will feel little pain also, but it's nothing. Just you are stretching the fascia up and upward, outwards, okay? They should be up and outwards. You're stretching the fascia in your neck. So same thing, you'll change the side. So even this 10 to 15 repetition you can do. I'll just show you the areas. Now next what we'll do is, here, the end portion of the TMJ here. You'll press it. Usually I feel pain here whenever I do, or even the patient they complain of. And the hands will be rested on the cheeks for the support. You'll press it. Again, same thing, turn to the side and lift it up. Pull the fascia, hold it there. 5, 4, 3, and slowly. And make sure the breathing pattern, it should be very gentle through your nose. There should not be any sound. So whenever you're doing this, okay? So next will be here. Keep your cheeks. Usually it's painful for me here. And breathe, gentle breath. So even this thing, you'll do it for 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Or if 10 to 15 repetitions. So I'll make a short video like the areas I'm giving you, so that the video won't be so long, because usually you get bored while seeing the videos, but this is very helpful for your patients. Just try it on them, and this should be done before sleeping, okay? And the next what we're going to do is tongue movements. First what you'll do, you'll take the tongue, you'll roll over the lips clockwise and anti-clockwise. Come back. Do it for 30 seconds. You'll feel it looks easy. Just do and see. Your face will get tired, and you can know how weak is your tongue. My tongue started burning. So you can try this for 30 seconds. Make sure all the exercises are done for 30 seconds. The second what I want to do is, you'll take the tongue, push it in the hard palate on top. Instead of pushing, you'll suck. And open your jaw as much as possible. So instead of pushing, you're sucking the tongue, okay? Like and when you're doing this, open your mouth as much as possible. So be there for 30 seconds. So next exercise, what is going to be is, same thing. You'll open your tongue as high as, now you'll open your mouth, take out your tongue. straight forward, okay? Open your mouth as wide as possible. So be there for 30 seconds. Again, next what you're going to do is bring it back, bring it back, make the tongue small, make the tongue big. Open the mouth as wide as possible. So even this for 30 seconds, you'll start to feel tongue is getting overstrained. So that's why we're strengthening the tongue. Whenever tongue, some people they have double chin, right? It's not double chin, it's due to the tongue drop. Tongue is so weak that the, there's no space for the tongue to align here. That's why strengthening the tongue during this movement is very much important. So after this, what you're going to do is push towards the cheek. Hold it for 30 seconds. Same thing, push towards the side, hold it for 30 seconds. So these are the things which you have to be doing. For these are the basic level which I'm giving. Even when you do for 30 seconds, you'll see your jaw starts to pain. Even your tongue starts to move. You'll feel much better while doing these exercises. And this will be helpful for your snoring, sleep apnea or sleep disorder, or unable to sleep at night. Even it will strengthen the tongue muscles while sleeping when you have the snoring problem, right? So it gives you a clear pathways for oxygen to travel to your lungs. So you can try this exercise and just see and give to your patients.